Krostos Costagianis. Come here in the Philippines. I will show you my strength here because you're very famous here in the Philippines. Every Filipina loves to marry a family like you because they thought that you are money. You are walking money. Come here in the Philippines. Let's box. Let's spar. Come on. Let's go. Or else I'm going there in your country. Huh? Okay, come here. I'll show you that you're not below here in the Philippines. Okay? Is this you? Okay.
Come on, sir, mister, let's go. Come here in the Philippines. I'll show you the Filipino boxers here in the Philippines. Okay? And also, if you do not go here, I will go there in your country. Tomorrow, as in tomorrow. Okay? I will go there. You will not stop. You cannot stop me. Okay? Alright. I can put you down in one round. Okay? One round only. Look how strong I am against you. You're too weak for me. You're too weak. Okay? Let's go, my friend. Let's go.
Are you down? Come here. Come here in the Philippines. I will put you down here. Come here, baby. You're nothing here, Afam. You're nothing here. Go here. Let's go. Let's spar. I'll beat you down.